Hello, if you wanna hide your following list on Facebook, then keep watching this video till the end. So after opening your Facebook, click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Now beside the search bar, there is a settings icon, so click on it. Scroll down a little bit. Now see there is an option, followers and public content. So click on it. Now look at the first option, who can follow me? Who can follow you? Keep it public. Now scroll down a little bit. And now look at this option, who can see your followers on your timeline? Who can see your followers? Okay, just click here. And if you don't want to show your followers to the public, you can select only me. Okay, now this is the option that we're looking for. Who can see the people pages in the list you follow? Who can see your following list? Just click here. And from here, select the last option, only me, if you don't want to show your following list to the public. Okay, so this is how you can hide your following and followers list on Facebook profile. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.